Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we're going to do a quick box opening of a watch I received after spinning the wheel from Watchgang. This was one of their Easter wheel spin watches. This was a blue Easter egg. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check. You'll see that I am wearing my Martinero New York Edgemere. This one was actually one of the Watchgang Platinum watches quite some time ago. And I wear it every now and then. I actually like it more than I did when I initially opened it. Do I think I would have spent the $2.99 subscription price, platinum subscription price on it for myself? Probably not, but it's not a bad piece. So if you're not familiar with watching or the wheel spins, the wheels are a way to get some extra watches. And they do have a bunch of different promotions and different special wheels. And on Easter, they put out Easter egg wheels. These ones were all mystery. And the spins were equivalent to $100. If you watched the last box opening video, you know I got a Aviate that I actually really like. And today, it looks like we've got a chicane. Now, while I do actually really like this watch and don't have any problem with that $100 wheel spin, sitting right next to me just happens to be a chicane that I got at one point for my Black membership tier. So this one, I can tell you, is honestly more than likely going to go right up for sale on my eBay store, just because I already have one. I don't know if I ever did a follow-up review on this one. If I haven't, maybe I'll go back and do a follow-up review on it. I love that style. Obviously, it looks like a, oh my gosh, I just went blank, like a Tag Monaco. Or I should say, it doesn't look exactly like a Tag Monaco, but it does have kind of a similar case design. And like I said, I actually really like this watch. I like the one that I have with the stainless bracelet on it. I've worn this one quite a bit. So I'll be keeping this one with the stainless bracelet. It's funny, I had that sitting right next to me. I do tend to have watches all over the house, but I actually really like this one. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.